Have you ever wondered how companies like Amazon, Flipkart, or Netflix make smart business decisions using data? In this video, we are going to understand Power BI, a powerful business intelligence tool by Microsoft, and how it helps organizations turn raw data into meaningful slides. Before understanding Power BI, we should first focus and understand what business intelligence or BI is. Business intelligence is a data driven decision system. It helps organizations to analyze data and provide actionable information. With now, why the business intelligence is important? Business intelligence plays a very important role in modern organization. Improves operational efficiency and internal processes, enhance decision making by identifying problem and market trends, make better and more confident decisions. In short, we can say BI helps you know your business better. There are multiple types of business intelligence. Real-time business intelligence is there, open source, ser- software as a service business intelligence, operational business intelligence, and traditional as well. Among all these, Power BI is one of the most popular self-service BI tools. Now let's talk about Power BI. Power BI is a business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft. It is used to analyze, create, and track the visualization, build dashboard and reports, and share insights with others. Power BI connects to multiple data sources like Excel, SQL Server, cloud platforms, and many other databases, CSV files, etc. This helps organizations make faster and better decisions. Power BI comes with many powerful features like self-service platform that to develop this type of dashboard, we don't need the non-technical user can easily create and analyze and create it. Second is universal connectivity. Connect to cloud, on-premises, and hybrid data sources are there. Power BI is scalable from individual user to large global enterprises. Let's briefly look at the history of Power BI. Power BI was first thought by Ruler and Thursnets, designed by Wes Chadwick George, and first preview is on the 2014 September in Microsoft. The first version released by Microsoft in 2015. Over time, Power BI evolved into one of the most widely used business intelligence tools in the world. Now, seeing the architecture of the Power BI, there is a data repository and relational SQL. We can import data from Excel, workbook, CSV file, etc. By the importing it, we can extract, transform, load, and that basically a data mining and cleaning is going on. With the data warehouse, we create the dashboard, and that dashboard is presented to the business user and helpful to analyze the market trends and take the convenient actions. Moving to merits of Power BI. These are the Power BI and many others are there, but I focus on these four as powerful data visualization interactive dashboard. This is the main focus of the Power BI. The fast data processing and real-time insights. With a single click, we can see how the data changes and how the decision can be impacted on with a single click. Connects to multiple data sources. We can import in single data on dashboard. We can import the data from Excel, workbook, CSV file, or any other relational databases. Strong integration with Microsoft tools. Like Microsoft tools are PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Azure, etc. And it is one of the cost effective as well. Now Power BI. One of the most powerful feature of Power BI is the integration with the PowerPoint. This game-changing integration. With Power BI and PowerPoint integration, your presentation always shows the latest real-time data. No need to manually update screenshots. your data stays fresh and accurate. The second best part is the interactivity is preserved. Means during the presentation, you can filter data, use slicer, drill down details. This turns a normal presentation into interactive data exploration session. Power BI also allow seamless storytelling. You can explain business problem using slides, support your story with live dashboards, and let stakeholder explore the data themselves. This create powerful data-backed presentation. Competitive landscape. In today's competitive market, organization that uses data effectively always stays ahead. Power BI companies respond faster to market changes, understand customer behavior, and outperform competitors using data driven strategies. You can easily see from 2019 to 2025, there's a huge growth of 15 million user plus. This is only focuses on the active user, not on the organizational. To summarize it, these are the professions which in which the Power BI is used, like data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, product manager, financial analyst, and many more professions are using Power BI today. To summarize the Power BI in a single line, Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool. It helps analyze, visualize, and share data and enables smarter business decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we will explore Power BI components and real-time examples. Thank you for watching.